How to reset your Vinted account's password. First, you want to open your Chrome browser and you want to tap on the search bar. Here you want to type in Vinted password reset. Type in Vinted password reset and simply tap on go. After that, you want to tap on the website over here and you'll see a page which will look something like this. Here you want to simply tap on these three bars and tap on sign up or log in. Remember your email address and password. You want to simply log in into the account and reset your password from inside the account. However, if you don't remember your account, you want to simply tap on register with email, type it out your mail over here and password over here. And by simply clicking on continue, you will be signing up with this email. However, in order to sign in, you want to simply go back on these three bars and tap on sign up or log in again. And click on any one of these options that you want to log in or tap on log in over here. After that, you want to select any of your Google account, or if you want to log into the Apple or Facebook account, you can do that as well. By doing so, you're logged in into the account. You want to type out your username over here and tap on and tick on these options and tap on continue. By doing so, your account will be created through your Google account, and if you want to reset your account, you can simply reset the password of your Google account and it will update it over here. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.